Hi everybody, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nurin Sabrina Mariam and my friend
Nani Hartati. We will
talk about water.
Using water artinya apa gunanya air. Yang pertama, number one, work with a partner. What do you use water for? I use water for drink, for cook, and farmer, and bath. Saya menggunakan air untuk minum, untuk memasak, untuk pertanian, untuk mandi. And number two, read, study skill, survey the table and answer the question. Number one, what is the title of the table? Water. Number two, what are the headings in the table? Water. Liters of water necessary to produce 1 kilo of food. How many products are there in the table? Egg products. Number 3, scan the table and answer the question. Number 1, how much water do we use to produce a kilo of potatoes? 900 liters of water. Number 2, which product need 3,600 liters of water? Chicken product. Number 3, which product need the most water? All products. Number 4, read the text and scan the table again. Correct mistake 1 and 5 in the text. Okay, water for food. We need water to grow plants and the product food. The table show the number of liters of water necessary to product. And jawabannya tuh 8 kinds of food. The numbers are very different. For example, it takes jawabannya 700 liters to produce a kilo of apples, but 15,000 and 500 liters for a kilo of chicken jawabannya beef. We use the same number of liters of water to produce a kilo of bread and as a kilo of jawabannya itu bread. For chocolate, it takes about 26 jawabannya 16,000 liters. Why are these numbers so different? Some food such as beef, chocolate use more water because they take a long time to produce. Number 5, work with a partner, survey the bar chart, answer the question. What is the title of the chart? The title, the use of water in different countries. How many countries are there? Jawabannya 6. Number 6. Read study skill. Read the text and scan the bar card to answer the questions. Number 1. What are the 3 main uses of water? Jawabannya water for drinking, for bathing, and washing. Number 2. How much water do people in Australia use? 500 liters per day. Number 3. Which country use only 100 liters per day? Jawabannya China. Number 4. How much water do people in Brazil use? Jawabannya 200 liters per day. Number 5. Do we use more water in the home or in industry? Jawabannya we use more water at home. Number 6. What is the problem in many countries? Jawabannya there is a problem in many countries nowadays because we don't have much water. We need to find more or use less. Number 7. What do we need to do? Jawabannya we can get more water by distillation, convert seawater into mineral water. Writing more or less. Read study skill. Look at the picture and write sentences. Use the phrases more than or less than or the same as. Compare your answer with a partner. Number 1. People Thailand eat more rice. People Japan. Jawabannya people in Thailand eat more rice than people in Japan. Number 2. People German eat more bread. People the Ukraine. Jawabannya people in German eat more bread than people in the Ukraine. Number 3. People Argentina eat less fish. People China. Jawabannya people in Argentina eat less fish than people in China. Number 4. People Pakistan drink the same number cup of tea. People India. Jawabannya people in Pakistan drink the same number a cup of tea with people in India. Number 2. Survey the table and answer the question. Number 1. What is the title of the table? Jawabannya how many cups do people drink a day? Number 2, what are the heading? Jawabannya, many cups do people drink a day? Number 3, scan the table. Are the sentences true or false? Number 1, in Finland, people drink less coffee than in Jerman. Jawabannya false. Number 2, people drink more coffee in Jerman than in the USA. Jawabannya false. Number 3, people in Australia and Japan drink the same amount of coffee. Jawabannya true. Number 4, people drink less coffee in Japan in Oman. Jawabannya false. Number 4, scan the table on 54 again and complete the text below. Use the word in the box. Coffee in a very popular drink. The table, jawabannya shows how many cup of coffee people drink in a day. People drink, jawabannya more coffee in Finland. Jawabannya than in other countries. They drink about 10 cups a day. In Australia, people drink the, jawabannya same number, jawabannya than in Japan, but people in Oman drink, jawabannya less coffee, only 1 cup a day. Do people, jawabannya more coffee in some countries because the weather is cold. Number 5, survey the bar chart below and answer the question. Number 1, what is the title? Jawabannya, how many liters of bottled water did people drink in 2009? Number 2, how many countries are there? Jawabannya 6 countries. Number 6, scan the bar chart and answer the question. Which country used more bottled water than the other countries? Jawabannya Meksiko. Number 2, how much bottled water did people drink in Spain? Jawabannya 125 bottle. Number 3, which 2 countries drank the same number of liters of bottled water? Jawabannya Thailand and Saudi Arabia. Number 4, which country used less bottled water than the other countries? Jawabannya Hong Kong. Number 7, write a description of the bar chart. Use your answer in exercise 6. The bar chart shows how many liters of bottled water people drank around the world in 2009. 9. People in Mexico used 250 liters of bottle. Vocabulary development. Opposite adjective. Read study skill match adjective of 1 and 5 with their opposite. Number 1, wet. Wet antonimnya dry yang E. Number 2, noise antonimnya D. Number 3, short antonimnya long. Number 4, hot antonimnya cold yang A. Number 5, good antonimnya bad. Number 2, work with a partner. Write the opposite of the adjective from the box. Number 1, easy antonimnya difficult. Number 2, small antonimnya big. Number 3, wrong antonimnya right. Number 4, poor antonimnya rich. Number 5, old antonimnya new. Number 3, underline the adjective in the sentences. Compare your answer with a partner. Number 1, in the 19th century train were very slow. Berarti kata sifatnya itu yang slow. Number 2, Juan is always late for class. Kata sifatnya itu yang late. Number 3, my email box is full. Kata sifatnya yang full. Number 4, Aminta always get high marks in math. Kata sifatnya high. Number 4, work with a partner. Use a dictionary to find opposites for the adjective in exercise. Slow antonimnya fast. Late antonimnya on time. Full antonimnya empty. High antonimnya low. Number 5, write the opposite of the adjective using a prefix on or in. Use your dictionary to help. Number 1, important. Jawabannya unimportant. Number 2, popular. Jawabannya unpopular. Number 3, dependent. Jawabannya independent. Number 4, complete. Jawabannya incomplete. Number 5, successful. Jawabannya unsuccessful. Number 6, work with a partner. Use a dictionary to find two opposites for each adjective. Number 1, clean. Antonimnya dirty atau unclean. Number 2, interesting. Antonimnya boring and uninteresting. Number 3, safe. Antonimnya dangerous atau unsafe. Number 4, healthy. Antonimnya sick or unhealthy. Number 5, correct. Antonimnya wrong atau incorrect. Number 7, work in small group. Answer the question. Number 1, which subject at school was easy for you? Jawabannya Arabic, literatur. Number 2, which subject at school was difficult for you? Jawabannya mathematics. Number 3, where is a cheap place to eat in your town? Jawabannya Padang restoran. Number 4, where is a expensive place to eat? Jawabannya Trans Hotel. Number 5, where is a quiet place for work? Jawabannya Lembang. Number 6, where is a noisy place to live? Jawabannya Jakarta City. Number 7, what food are healthy? Jawabannya vegetables and fruit. Number 8, what foods are unhealthy? Jawabannya fried food. Number 1, work with a partner. Look at the title of the text and the photo. What do you think the text is about? Drinking water. I think about mineral water, juice, milk, coffee, tea, and soda. Water sport. I thinking about swimming. The ocean. I think Pangandaran Beach and Kuta Beach. Number 2, survey the table and answer the question. Number 1, what is the title of the table? Jawabannya an important resource. Number 2, what are the headings? Jawabannya an important resource. Number 3, how many oceans are there in the table? Jawabannya 150 million square kilometers. Number 3, read the text and scan the table. Answer the question. Number 1, how much of the earth water in the ocean? Jawabannya 150 million square kilometer. Number 2, how big is the Atlantic Ocean? Jawabannya million square kilometer. Number 3, when was the Southern Ocean named? Jawabannya first time in 2000. Number 4, which is the third ocean in size? Jawabannya Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and India Ocean. Number 5, which ocean is covered by ice in winter? Jawabannya Arctic Ocean. Number 6, what do we use the ocean for? Jawabannya for food, and some countries now change sea water into drinking water. Number 4, the bar chart on the right shows the use of water in 1960 and 210. Scan the barcode and answer the question. Number 1. In 9060, how much water did people use for agriculture? 650, industry 220, the home 100. Number 2. In 210, did people use more or less water than 1960 for agriculture, 2000 for industry, 640, the home 230. Number 3. Which figure 1960 are about the same as the figure for 210? Jawabannya agriculture and industry, agriculture 650 and industry 640. Number 5. Use your answer in exercise 5 to write a description of the use of water in 1960 and 2010. The barcode show the global use of water in 1960 and 2010. In 1960, use water for agriculture, 650, industry 220, and home 100. In 2010, use water for agriculture, 200, industry 600 and 40, and home 230.